Can you guess what I'm making today? Some mango hot honey garlic wings. Yes, you heard me right. I made some mango hot honey wings. I cleaned my chicken, seasoned it up with some mustard, pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some smoked paprika, and yes, some minced garlic. I also put an egg on that, wrapped it up, and put that to the side. Then I got started on my batter. Some flour, and then I just seasoned my flour with everything that I seasoned the chicken with, except for the minced garlic. So after I did that, I did go ahead and put some cornstarch in my flour because I wanted my chicken to be extra crispy. Yes, extra crispy because I'm going to make the hot honey mango sauce and it's going to go on the chicken, but I still wanted my chicken to be crispy and I didn't want no naked wings. So after I did that, got my flour together, I went ahead and battered my chicken. I set my chicken to the side after I battered all the pieces for about 7 to 10 minutes, and then I put them down in the hot oil so they could fry until they reached 165 degrees internal temperature. Or I fried it 5 to 6 minutes each side until it came out looking like that. Crispy as hell. Then I got started on my sauce. I melted some butter, added some minced garlic, diced up some mango, added some honey, and hot sauce of my choice. You can use whatever hot sauce your little heart desires. And I brought that to a boil. Then I went ahead and got my chicken in one of my bowls. I'm about to coat it with that sauce. And when I tell y'all, these was good. They was so delicious, super simple and super easy. I made these on live, invited my best friend on. She also cooked it as I was cooking it. She wanted to see how it would turn out. She loved it. I loved it. The family loved it. And that's all that really mattered.
Go ahead, Go ahead.
Baby boy stepped in.
Tell me what it do. Tell me what it is.
Ma, I want to try.
Sheesh.
Of course.
If he nodding his head, he said yeah. He said yeah.
But y'all know what it
Ooh,
is.
it's hot. You see that?
I hope y'all
You see that?
appreciated the
I'm not trying it.
video.
I'm not trying it.
I'm
I see you, boo. Oh, look, I told y'all I can do it. Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. It look good. You looking?
Ariana was over there eating too.
Oh my God.
Girl, nobody know you talking about no mango. Yeah, they fine.
Margaret, that's fine. It's okay. Next time.
I'm over here. That was easier. I'm over here like studying for real.
See, that was easy, right?
Yes, it was. I said,
Yeah,
I don't half a packet, but only cook this for
This is
that.
blessing.
It is.
Yeah. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Peace. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Be blessed and stress less. Y'all already know.